Okay, so members, welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to see now when they are combining a cuboid and also a pyramid, and then they ask you to get the total volume of the whole thing. So the case is here. We are having a downward thing and also we have a pyramid up. So they are asking us to get, first of all, the volume. They want us to get the side A, this side AC. If I have now side AC, it means that now I'm going now to be interested in using this thing here. Now so my AC is the one from here to here. So if you want to get AC, it means that I'm going to use this downward thing here. So now I'm going to use this triangle. This triangle rectangle A, B, C. So to start with, I'm going to say using A, B, C, D. Now I start when I use A, B, C, D. This is what I have here. So it's that this one is a square. So this is 10 centimeters. So here we have 10 centimeters. And also here we have 10 centimeters. So now the one we need to get a C. So this is the distance, the one we need to get a C. Now start my AC squared is going to be using Pythagoras, AB squared, then plus BC squared. So that now my AC is going to be the square root of, when I take the square root on both sides, AB, which is 100 squared and plus 10 squared. So that now my AC is going to be square root of, this is 100 plus 100 to be the square root of 200, and these are centimeters. You are free to be there, or you give it for the small places. Now I want MD. Where is my MD? Now I start my MD. Anyway, my MD. So the ordinary MD is a midpoint here. So now I'm going to get MD. You look at my MD. MD is here. So I'm going to use this and this. So if I try to pull out this triangle, this is my MD. I think that this is my MD here. So now using triangle, using MAD. If I pull it out there, so this is the case that I have. This is my M, this is my A, and this is my D. Of course, this is right angle. Now it's like our AM. AM is a half AB. Why? Because the M is the midpoint of AB. So it's like this is going to be a half times 10, which is going to give us 5 centimeters. So now my AM is 5 centimeters. I want MD, but my MD, from here it's that MD is the same as this 10 centimeters. So it's that your MD the same as BC, equal to 10 centimeters. Now, to get MD, this is the longest side, so using Pythagoras, of course. So I'm going to say using Pythagoras. From here I start using Pythagoras. So your name. Now I start now. My MD squared is going to be AM, then plus MD squared. So my MD is going to be the square root of AM. My AM is 5 squared and plus MD, which is 10 squared. And so that my MD is going to be the square root of 100 plus 25, that's 125 centimeters. So you can leave it for the small places. Then the height of the heart. The height of the heart. Now the height of the heart, we use that from here up to this. Meaning to get the height of this heart, first of all we need the height of this. Now if I try to use this shape here, so that now if I want to get the height, I need first of all get the height from here up here. because I know from here up to here is going to be 6 centimeters. So now I need now to get from here up to here. What am I going to do? I'm going now to call this, okay, if I'm to draw that pyramid there at the top there, if I'm to draw that pyramid at the top, if this is my vertex, start down from here, I want to get this height here, or V. Now, you see that this is now, look at this property. This is E, this is F, G, then H. Now it's what I need to get this. What am I going to use? From there, I see I can use now this one here, from here up to here. And then we know that from here it's going to be the diagonal. So meaning all I need to get, I'm going to use this one here. Now if G, you know that if G, start if G, this if G is going to be the same as SC is equal to SC. All of it is equal to root of 200. That's what we saw. Meaning now, also know that EO, this is our O. So my EO now is going to be a half of ED. It's going to be a half times root 200. Now my EO here is going to be, you press it on the calculator, root 200 by 2. It's going to be 7.0712 centimeters. So now if I have OA, let me use now this triangle using V on G. Now this V on G, so what I'm trying to pull out here. V O G. Using V O G. Now it's that our O G is also equal to the same idea. OG is equal to OE equal to that. Because from here up to here is equal to from here up to here. So my OG is 7.0712. Then I need this height. What else do I have? I have big E. Remember that the slanting side of the roof, these ones were 13 centimeters, the slanting sides. So mean that now also here is going to be my 13 centimeters, and so here is going to be 13 centimeters. So meaning if I want this, I use Pythagoras. Now it's that my big O squared is going to be OG squared, then plus, my big O, let me do something. My big O plus OG is equal to VG squared. That my VO is going to be the square root of VG, which is 13, squared minus OG squared. And so your VO is going to be now 169 minus. So here I'm getting 10.9086 centimeters. So now this is the height of this pyramid. So now I have from here, I have the height. Meaning now the height of the heart. Height of the heart is going to be now VO, then plus from here up to here. You can get VO plus this distance from here up to here. Let me call it, if I call this K, then this one is going to be O. And O plus, now you know that the height from here up to here is 6. So you can say VO plus 6 centimeters, which is going to be 10.9 6 then plus 6, which is going to give you 16.9086 centimeters, and that's the height of the hat. Then on magnitude of 4, you want us to get the volume of the whole hat. So that's how are we going to get the volume? Meaning that what we are going to do, because it's a combination of a cuboid and a pyramid, we get the volume of this and the volume of this. When we add them, we shall be getting the volume of the whole thing. That's what I'm going to do. Now, you know that the volume of a hat, of this hat, is going to be volume of a cuboid. This one is going to be a cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, then plus volume of the pyramid, which is going to be, now volume of the cuboid, we get it, we say length times width, then times height. It's going to be L times W times H, then plus, this one is orange, a half, a third, times the base area, then times the height. So here we have the length is 10, the width is 10, then the height is 6. We have 10 times 10 times 6. Then plus a third times the base area. Now the base area, you know that also this one is going to be 10, and this one is also going to be 10. If I try to do it here, so this one is 10 centimeters, and this one is also 10 centimeters. So now, if I try now to get the base area of this pyramid, I have now 10 times 10, then times the height. We got our height as 10.9086. So, this one is going to give us 600. Then plus, what do we get there? We get 10. So here we get 363.62. And when we add these two, that's what we get is 963.62 centimeters cubed. And so that's the volume of a hat. So members, unless you have a question, you can put it in the section, in the comment section there. I wish you the best, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel.